Hey guys, it's Danny here, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick tip on when it comes to buying used evaporator coils for your walk-in cooler or freezer. Now, the biggest problem when it comes to buying used evaporator coils is the potential of it having a leak. So, it is very important that you ask the salesperson of the food equipment store or the refrigeration store if a technician has pressure tested the evaporator coil or not. That way, if they say that it has been pressure tested and there are no leaks, then go ahead and buy it. If it hasn't been pressure tested, stay away from it. Here at Below 4 Refrigeration, what I do is I pressure test all my evaporator coils before I actually sell it to my customer. Now, right here I have one that is actually being pressure tested as we speak. Right now it's at 240 psi, and this is from yesterday. I've written here 5:15 p.m. 240 psi, and right now as I'm filming, this is exactly 26 hours after that, after the time I labeled that. So I am certain now that that evaporator has no leaks. So now I can sell it to the customer and actually tell them that there are no leaks inside of that evaporator coil. Sad to say, most food equipment stores, most refrigeration stores, they do not take the time and pressure test all their evaporators. So just be careful next time you guys are out there, next time you guys are shopping for used evaporator coils. Just be careful you don't buy one that has a leak. Once again, this is Dnoorian. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time.